Well, there's so many tasty foods, it's true, but trying something new can be so hard to do. You may not love it at first sight, but to know for sure you've gotta take a bite. Try it, you may just find you like it. But if at first you don't, well then you gotta try it again and you may like it. And if you find that you don't, try again.
Maybe Elmo will try a little bite.
Well?
Elmo doesn't think he likes it.
But you only had a nibble. Sometimes you have to try things more than once. You may like it, you may not, but to know for sure you've got to take another shot. And you may find a food that you love so, but if you never